According to China EV Post, Tesla China sold 72,573 vehicles in May. This includes both local sales and exports. This figure is up 16.74% from April's 62,167 but down 6.59% from May last year. From January to May, Tesla China sold 355,616 vehicles, a 7.12% decrease from 382,859 in the same period last year. Tesla's Shanghai factory, its largest globally, has an annual capacity of over 950,000 vehicles. The plant produces Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossovers for both local and export markets. Tesla typically exports cars in the first half of the quarter and focuses on local deliveries in the second half. Recently, Tesla ramped up marketing in China. Chinese customers who complete deliveries between May 25 and June 30 can win a tour of Tesla's Fremont plant in the U.S. During the week of May 27 to June 2, 15,200 Tesla vehicles were registered for insurance in China, a 16.03% increase from the previous week. For the same week, BYD led with 53,400 insurance registrations, followed by Tesla with 15,200, NIO with 6,700, and Xiaomi with 2,200. You are listening to Yuan News.